Hey guys, so welcome back with another video. So today we are gonna convert our shards into crystals, and let's see what's gonna happen. So I'll refresh this window. So it says convert shards. So if I press on this, it will convert the shards into crystals, and the crystals will turn into portal coins. So let's see how it works first. As they say, to transform your shards into crystals, simply press the fuse option. Upon doing so, your shards will merge automatically and resulting in acquisition of random crystals. So when it comes to understanding crystals, crystals are awarded randomly, and the rarity of the crystals directly influences the amount you claim. And for the claim mechanics, you you are entitled to a specific allotment of portals. So uh, you can see you can claim only 50% of the allocation, and it also says that the balance will be distributed over 4 months. So the remaining 50% will be distributed in the following 4 months, maybe like a monthly claim or something like that. So I'll show you. If we go to the Apex's Discord, you can see the community in the community wins section. There's this person with 7.6k shards. He got 875 tokens, portal tokens, and this guy got 3323. I don't know the amount of shards. Let's and this guy got 472 portal tokens, which is 4.4k shards, which is with 4.4k shards. And this guy got 2569 with 22k shards. So that's how the shards have been distributed. So if we calculate it, maybe I will get something around 100 to 200, or maybe within 100 and 300 portal for my amount of shards, because it's not that much. But let's see how it goes. Let's go to crystal dash dashboard, crystal, yeah, and press on this one. So it says begin fusion, fuse into crystals. Let's press that. Fusing your shards. You receive 24 crystals. Okay, let's open that. 11 uncommon, 10 rare, 3 legendary. Okay, so I got 279 portal coins, and I think I will get half of it today, but I can get the rest of them later on another day, on after 4 months. So let's just see. That's 279, 11, 10 and 3. So let's go back to Discord and let's just see how it's been distributed. 7.6k, he got 875. Yeah, so that's how I got my shards. Yeah, so that's how I got my shards, my portal tokens. So let's see how much a token will go to. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll get back to you with another airdrop video.